The last thing that my father saw when he was still alive was a gun in the hands of a sick young man with bright blue eyes. A man who looked just like me, as far as anyone else could see. A stranger, not an enemy, and my mother watched it all. That was the last thing that she saw. And somewhere in America, a phone is about to ring, and nothing can prepare you for the news it's gonna bring. And nothing ever changes, just the names and the faces. Somewhere in America, a phone is about to ring. An unlucky break, wrong time, wrong place. I've heard them all so many times. If your dad had had a gun of his own, maybe they'd still be alive. But I still can't believe the resistance, the denial and the insistence. When something's broken that clearly needs fixing, you can fight to change, or you can fight to stay the same. And somewhere in America, the news is about to break, and nothing can prepare you for the toll it's gonna take. And nothing changes, just the dates and the locations. Somewhere in America, the news is about to break. How long is too long before the words you can't say just speak for you? The years have been kind, Mom. I got a son now of my own. When I think of what I'll tell him happened to you, I still don't know. I pray he lives to see that day. No idea what I'm gonna say. And somewhere in America, my phone is about to ring, and nothing can prepare you for the news it's gonna bring. A phone is about to ring.